Oh, what the? Really? You're signaling left. What'd you expect them to think? Turn from the left turn lane. Turn right from the left turn lane like a freaking idiot.
Yes, I mean, if you see right through the radio waves, I mean, well, then everything becomes transparent. Long wavelengths. Yes. Then there are no walls in this office. See things. That's right. Yeah, so that'd be a weird. I mean,
wait, that was red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Nissan driver. That red arrow there. Red light run, red light run, red light run. No stop, screwbaroo.
Wins to Lord Stanley. I think he just, I mean, no matter what.
Oh, jeez. What the frick was that?
Grace, you know what I mean? That little thing of, if it's possible, he's playing.
Nice cut off.
Pretty good against Saratoga, eh?
What are you doing up there?
Totally full of shit. The Supreme Court, they're basically just, you know, Thomas and Alito, they're January 6th protesters.
Nice cut off.
Is that these motherfuckers lied to get on the court, right?
If Trump is reelected, the goal here is to dismantle democracy.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
In the heavy carpets, glimpses of rooms with bright fabrics on the walls, piled.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Out of chamber. Gurney was right behind, weapon drawn. Beneath them, on the floor of the cave, swirled a melee of struggling figures.
Whoa! Okay. Red light run, red light run, red light run. I thought the first car was a baby, but that was a definitely. Yeah, fuck you. You're in the video. Exit dive. Or roundabout dive, whatever you want to call it. Can we, like, pick a lane? Can we, like, did you ever have a coloring book when you were younger? Coloring book. No stop. Screwbaroo. Dive for the left turn lane. Dive for the left turn lane. What the hell you doing over there?
The thing I'll get criticized for. Oh, Matt puts everybody on hold and yells at them, shuts them down. And in reality, what's happening is that only happens when
red light run, red light run. You were behind the line and you turned left after the thing turned red.
I'm not saying I would refuse, but I would go on.
No stop.
How do you bring you back in agony? You have no more evidence.
Wait, what?
That. And the first people who come back.
They're putting a They're putting a traffic light here. They're putting a traffic light here. Progress, I guess, because everyone keeps running that stupid stop sign. Way to fix the problem, Utica. I guess.
A transaction that requires less capital than most auto loans.
No stop.
This is not a liquidity problem. It won't be.
This is one. Oh, what the? Really? You're signaling left. What'd you expect them to think? Excellent job. And red light run, red light run, red light run. Okay, well, I was about to comment on that guy's excellent job of staying in the lines. But the red light runner ruined the bet. God, I suck at making these videos.
Did you just say Voldemort? I'm pretty
Voldemort Artillery. Yeah, sure. I have been an avid critic of where
Stay away.
Pride has gone in recent years.
Wait, hold on, you gotta... Yeah, the guy turning left had right away. But had the yellow light. You get the idea. Seriously, it's not red for everybody. Oh wait, it's out on this side. This town confuses me. What the fuck are people supposed to do? Red light run, rolling through the red light runner, rolling through the red light. Slim biscuit, what am I going to work with here? I got nothing to work with. I see a left turn regret. Nissan drivers.
It would, like, if the Lakers moved to Las Vegas, right, and then they won the next one, like Laker fans,
good job, you stopped. Good job. I'm proud of you.
You'd be like, get the fuck out of here.
But you didn't.
They won 13 and LA
Kicked ahead towards Hera rocked back on her heels against the sitting cushion. Stared
No, stop.
Her, bringing her attention then up to Jessica's face.
No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's... Actually, no, it's not. If we're in Connecticut. I don't think there's a truck restriction up this far north. Well, no trucks in the left lane. No, if we're in Connecticut. Oh, well, sucks to be you, Mulligan Man. You are in the video. But it doesn't really count, so who cares? Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!